Namaste, friends and relatives. We straight away recite the 15th sloka of Sankhya Yogam in Bhagavad Gita. So, Lord Sri Krishna Bhagavan is addressing Arjuna and saying this sloka. Yam hina vyadhayantyete purusham purusharshapha samadukha sukham dhiram so amrutatvaya kalpate. Here Bhagavan is making it very clear who is deserving to receive this ultimate happiness and permanent bliss, permanent peace of mind while living. It is not after death. So that person, he is saying he is addressing as Purusharshapha, means the great person among the persons. He is addressing Arjuna. So we are all like that. We are capable of thinking. We are endowed with a mental faculty. So here, but that mental faculty is sometimes or many times covered, overpowered by these panchendriyas. That is the problem. So if the panchendriyas are kept under our control, then we can receive this permanent bliss within seconds, not minutes. But if we listen to these panchendriyas and become a slave to them, then there is no end to it. Nobody can help us. So Arjuna represents that these indriyas, chokamuchoshanam indriyanam, he says, these indriyas are causing me problem and misery, and I am not able to understand what to do and what not to do, whether to conduct the battle or to run away from the battle and start begging. Then Bhagavan is replying. He is saying that you are not this mere body. You are that inner heart of hearts, Sukshma Shariram it is called, the smallest particle of the body. But that body cannot be seen even by CT scan or MRI or anything. But still it exists. Because it exists in the body is moving very briskly and able to talk, you are able to listen. So we are able to conduct it. It's a joint effort. What we have decided now is to speak in English because it reaches the large population, and all our Indians particularly located across the globe, from India to New Zealand to Sweden, Stockholm, and New York, of course, United States. So many countries and so many states, so many languages they are studying. Earlier, as you know very well, Lord Sri Krishna chose Sanskrit as their medium of language. So we have chosen English as our language, though depriving some of our friends who speak Telugu and who can understand only Telugu. My request to them is approach someone who can understand Sanskrit or who can understand English. So our effort is to cover all the 700 slokas one by one, because Lord Sri Krishna said made it very clear that he likes that person who spreads his message of Gita to others, because it provides peace of mind to everyone. Mental health is the health. That is what in the chief of the army, the chief of the forces in Afghanistan, or a United States chief, said to the soldiers, 20 years mental agony and pain and misery has left us, so we will try to provide mental health to all our soldiers. That is what they have decided. So in this context, we have to take this happiness and misery equally. So what happens is this: if we pass an examination, we are happy, but immediately we don't get a good job. Even after passing the examination in colors, the job of our choice we may not get, the place of our posting we may not get. In that case, we will become unhappy. So this happiness and unhappiness are two interrelated. So we should not worry about this because they are temporary phases. So dhiram soamritatvaya kalpate. The person who bravely faces this both unhappiness and happiness equally, then that will be a permanent happiness. Because that Atma inside us, whatever is the self-consciousness, what we call self-confidence, moving force, that has no happiness or unhappiness. It is always happy. It always exists, and it exists happily. That is, it is called as Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. The Anantam Satchidananda Swarupam. Sat Chit Ananda Swarupam. So we are that Ananda Swarupam. That is our real. This body comes and goes away. But the prime minister, for example, to give you an example of an organization, there is a post of a chairman. So the person may change. For example, the prime minister post is there in India. So earlier, now presently, our beloved prime minister is Narendra Modi ji is there. So after the Narendra Modi, somebody else will come into occupy the post of prime minister. Before Narendra Modi, there was a prime minister. P.V. Narasimha Rao was there. Indira Gandhi was there. Right from Jawaharlal Nehru was there. So the previous prime ministers existed. So in the future, prime ministers will be there. The post of prime minister will be there occupied by someone. The person may change. Similarly, this body may change, but the person as such, which has got no name and no shape, that will remain. And it is a part of that large universe. It is not something which is separated from the universe. So when we are part of that universe, so naturally this universe has got an automatic balance of being always happy. It is a paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanardhaya sambhavami yuge yuge. You know that. So at any time if there is any difficulty, this automatical mechanism emerges out to make us happy. This is the mechanism that is going on. So it may be a little bit dry when I am not able to quote several examples for us to understand. But as we proceed further and further from the next slokas, each sloka less than 10 minutes we want to make it so that whenever it is convenient to anyone to understand, will be very easy. So with this 15th sloka will close and proceed to the next one. Thank you, man.